So I'm Ali Kontar, the CEO and founder of Zero&One. So Zero&One is a cloud-native service provider company that's an AWS premier tier, focusing on helping customers in their end-to-end cloud migration journey. So we start by helping customers elevate to the cloud, operate in the cloud, and innovate with the cloud. So we position it as elevate to innovate, and we are there to help you accelerate that journey. So our motto is innovate to simplify complexity. So we look on helping customers in their digital transformation journey and how we can simplify that by using AWS as an innovation platform. In other words, the journey starts by planning the migration, how you can modernize to use the cloud as an enabler to open and foster innovation. And innovation happens when we are looking into being a data-driven organization, how we can build data lakes, how you can use the power of IoT core with AWS, how you can use the AI services like personalization, forecasting, and enabling the organization to take smarter decisions, insightful, using the cloud as an innovation platform. And that's where Zero&One helps customers in building, planning, executing end-to-end using AWS as the hyperscaler of choice. So technically, when we engage with enterprises that have already decided to go into a cloud strategy, so we help them in the assessment phase, where we build the business case and we do the discovery, we talk into different stakeholders across. There are certain programs and frameworks, programs that help those customers to lessen the investment at this stage. And then once we have a directional business plan, we go into what we call a mobilization phase. And this mobilization is around different accelerators, which is people accelerator, upskilling people, educating people. And there is the platform accelerators where we go into building their landing zones, how they are going to build their hybrid connectivity between on-prem and cloud, how the structure of governance and compliance is going to be in the cloud. And then there is the migration accelerator where we help them build their first POCs, piloting, so to build the confidence, so the team is comfortable. And this is exactly what would accelerate their journey, which is the post-operating model. It's just the beginning. It's not a project. It's an ongoing process. So technically, one of the main reasons going to the cloud or being alive for the next 5 years at least and competitive is the faster go-to-market, is unlocking new opportunities or features that you want to offer. And the technology that brought us here cannot take us there. So you cannot go to the future with technology that has been built in the past and tooling. So we look into modernizing that. And by saying modernization is moving from monolithic application to microservice, event-driven architectures, serverless technologies that you remove the headache of managing that infrastructure, scaling, performance, cost optimization, reliability, and security embedded within the design. And that's why we use future-proof technologies by separating your monolithic, by being agile, and by unlocking the power of innovation with those hyperscalers, whether adding, using the data as a source to innovate for the future. So initially, building for an agile company means adopting DevOps. And adopting DevOps, you need to think infrastructure as code. You need to educate and upskill the team, and that's the most challenging part, where they need to really understand what is DevOps and what is not DevOps. And DevOps is not a tool only, it's a culture by itself. It's an awareness end-to-end. It's business, technical, it's a process, it's people, it's technology. So once you have implemented the whole mindset of thinking cloud native and using DevOps as your mainline stream of business, then you can have faster go-to-market, then you can reduce the recovery, mean time for recovery, MTTR rates. Then you can build new features and have smaller cycles. You can have build releases every minute rather than every few months. So that's the added value of adopting cloud technologies that helps you accelerate those type of technology adoptions.